So this is the second part of my Airline Radio vlog. Just as a reminder, this is the radio cabinet that I've got to refurbish. Haven't really done anything at all with the cabinet but clean it up yet. Working on the proof of concept for the brains of the operation. So what I've used down there is a small one-board computer with a DAC on top, digital analog converter. That would take my music out of that little thumb drive on there, all the stored music, and play it. Right now I've just got temporarily hooked up to this small amplifier and little speakers as proof of concept. But I did buy a mid-90s vintage Pioneer, large, like 100 watt per channel Pioneer, and the plans for that are to take the amplifier circuit and the power supply out of that, modify them to work directly with this, where I don't need the face panel or the remote control or any of that sort of stuff. This is a little capacitive touchscreen, which I'm not super happy with right now. That was my finger, but it's a great way to access this. Right now I'm using a mouse on it. The idea is that, of course, I won't have to, and this thing will, oops. It's pretty neat because it has all of the albums on there, and they're sorted by, well, let's see here. They're sorted by, gosh, album type, but this isn't it. Album type, genre, by artist, lots of other things. So the reason I'm not enamored with this screen is, like I'm showing you right now, it's just not doing anything. That's why I'm having to use a mouse with it. But anyway, so you can go through here and I can have it go through and sort random mix just through a specific genre. If I want to pick blues, or, well, actually it's selected all right now. Let's unselect, select none, and then select blues. Let's see where we're at. Let's see what it's doing. See, there's not blues. There's a lot to work out with this, but the proof of concept, regardless, works. I got to work out all the little details to make it more functional. Next step is probably going to be to refurbish that cabinet, get that going. Then I'm going to refurbish that Pioneer amplifier, replace all the electrolytic capacitors in there, check for leaky transistors, do whatever I need to do to get that working, and I don't know, I'll give you an update somewhere along the lines while I'm doing all that.